Welcome to LVS Tech Buddy, your go-to destination for all and things tech support. I am here to help you troubleshoot and solve any technical issue you might be facing. From software glitches to hardware malfunctions, I've got you covered. So sit back, relax, and let me be your tech buddy.
Hi friends, let me grab you from my assistants. They are still in learning curve. Today we are going about factory reset in Windows computer. I will hand you back to those gorgeous ladies. Thank you.
A factory reset is a process of erasing all the data and settings on a device and restoring it to its original manufacturer settings. The steps to perform a factory reset may vary depending on the device and operating system you are using. Here are some general steps you can follow for common devices. 1. Click on the Start menu and select Settings. 2. In the Settings window, select Update Security. 3. In the Update Security window, select Recovery. 4. Under Reset this PC, click on Get Started. 5. You will be prompted to choose between Keep My Files or Remove Everything. If you choose Remove Everything, all your personal files and apps will be erased. If you choose Keep My Files, your personal files will be preserved, but all the installed apps and settings will be removed. 6. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the reset process. It may take several minutes to complete.
Thank you for tuning in to LVS Tech Buddy. We hope this video has been helpful in resolving your technical issue. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to leave us a comment below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Until next time, keep on teching.